see me through there. Hey. Hey. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also Sipping and Slaying. The girl got her Wawa and her tea today. Listen, your girl is getting sick, okay? But I'm not sick of these wigs though. You see the looks. I can't see them. Let me put my glasses back on. But yeah, you see the looks. And I'm gonna show you how to get it. Not this style though, okay? This style was just a random updo because I was getting a little hot. I am your sign to wear and style your wigs. Exhibit A through Z. Me. But I am going to show you how to wear this affordable, glueless, ready to wear unit out the pack. Keep on watching, keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit is from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. Today we are doing a bob or a lob because this, it's kind of long with the 12 inches, but we're going to style her up and make her a little extra. You know what I'm saying? But first I need to get her ready out the pack because I ain't gonna wash this one today. So first I need to spray her down with some dry shampoo. That smell hit my nostrils right there. Let's get that taken care of. Work that on through. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of water. Just kind of relax those hairs a bit. Just a little bit. Work that through. Okay, then I'm gonna tip my cap. I don't know what kind of lace this is. I feel like it's HD lace. It just looks real good and thin. So, that's always good. And it's pre-bleached. You see me through there. Hey. Let's go ahead and tint this up so it can match my forehead though. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark. And I'm gonna use a mixture of the contour and sculpt shade. Just around the front. I don't need too much because like I said, it's pretty thin and I don't wanna make it orange around my hairline. So I'm just tapping that or brushing that right on that edge real quick. This unit does come with all the security, so you get the comb in the back, the adjustable elastic band with the drawstring, and this is a 7x5 lace closure unit. Pop her on. Look at that, you can see my cap in there. It's so daggone thin. I gotta wear my cap though, I can't not wear it. Do y'all see that? I can't, let me put my glasses back on. That looks great. Again, it's a closure, so it cuts back, starting on your sides here. The lace stops right there pretty much at my temple area. What I did not get though are the layers. That's okay. We gonna still press with it. This unit does come with like 4 different cap options. I believe they're all 7x5, but the density may change depending on what you get. Let me check, hold on. So you get a 7x5 drawstring that's 150% density straight. And then you get a 7x5 drawstring that's 180% density that has a layered cut. And then you get a drawstring 7x5 with side bangs, so it just comes in a side part. Or you can get a 13x4 drawstring unit that's 150% density. I knew out the pack this was gonna be 180% density just off the thickness of this unit. Okay, I know my wigs, and I weighed it because I have a scale. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to have layers, and we're gonna cut some right here in the front how it's supposed to be. All right, so I'm cut. Just cut. Do you see this hair? So let me tighten down my band in the back just to make sure it's not gonna lift up. Tighten it down, lock it in place, and then tuck in the excess. Now I'm just gonna bump my ends a bit. Just like that. Bump, bump, bump. This side is longer. Let me fix that. Put your glasses on, girl. A quick little bump. Don't hold it too long. Bump, bump, bumpy, bump, 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 bump it up. Y'all see how fast that was? Do you see how fast this was? Wow. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze to tint my parting space right there. I'm only gonna tint behind the hairline because that's already blended on the hairline. So I don't necessarily need that. See? Tap it in. I didn't even do my edges. I literally just laid this wig on my forehead like this. If I want to do a little extra, like a little something, I would just do this. Do a little finishing spray. And that is it out the box. Do y'all see how easy this was? Out the pack. It's so pretty. In the body, out the pack. Hey. Listen, Patty Perm is back. You hear me? A perm. Okay. Ooh. Let me be careful. I didn't wash this, boy. I do want to add a little more bump in my hair. So I'm gonna add some curls in here. It's still glueless, okay? I ain't trying to be here all day, so let me just do a little something. Ooh, that'll be cute. A little cluck. Wait a minute. Tighten it up. Okay. Not too much, just a little bit. If you want to have the curls hold a little bit better, spray it as you curl. Just add a little movement like that. Again, nothing crazy to the back. Which one y'all like better? The curl, wave, or I guess a wave. The bust down middle part. Which one? Both. 150% density. Straight, no layer, is $99. The 180% density with some layers, meaning they cut it for you, is $109. Who doesn't like affordable? If you want a natural wig, get a natural wig. You hear me? Yada, 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 yada. Feel great, look even better. Thank you. Natural tease, hairline, edges, looks great. Y'all see my curls are falling in real time because I'm moving the hair around. I can't stop touching it. It's so soft. Ooh, let me stop. I'll use more hairspray next time. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.